Mystery curtain here. Today we're unlocking the secrets behind a device that's been the talk of the tech world. Stick around as we run real-world tests. At approximately $400 USD, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 emerges as one of the most refined and intelligent smartwatches in Samsung wearable lineup. Introduced at Galaxy Unpacked 2025, it stands out not just for its premium design, but also for its deep AI integration, powerful hardware, and advanced health tracking. Design a blend of classic and modern. At first glance, the Galaxy Watch 8 doesn't stray too far from the aesthetics of its predecessor. It still features a large circular display, encased in a robust metal frame, giving it a solid yet elegant presence on the wrist. However, a closer look reveals subtle but meaningful changes. The casing has become more angular, adopting a squared-off silhouette with soft curves at the corners, a design inspired by the Galaxy Watch Ultra. This clever fusion of a circular screen with a square frame results in a modern visual identity and offers a more expansive viewing experience. Samsung offers two case sizes, 40mm and 44mm, making the Galaxy Watch 8 suitable for a wide range of users. Whether worn during workouts, at the office, or as a stylish accessory, it fits comfortably and looks great in both casual and formal settings. It is also the slimmest Galaxy Watch to date, at just 8.6mm thick, ensuring it sits snugly on the wrist without bulk. The redesigned strap system hugs the wrist more naturally, and swapping bands has never been easier. For durability, Samsung has equipped the watch with a sapphire crystal display, a highly scratch-resistant material that protects against impact in daily wear. The metal frame has also been streamlined by removing protruding strap extensions, resulting in a cleaner, minimalist look. Available in two subtle and sophisticated shades, gray and silver, the Galaxy Watch 8 brings versatility and class to any wardrobe. It also boasts IP68 dust and water resistance and 5 ATM waterproofing, ensuring it can withstand sweat, rain, or even a swim. Vivid AMOLED display. Both models come with high-resolution AMOLED panels. The 40mm version features a 1.34-inch display at 432 x 432 pixels, while the 44mm version offers a 1.47-inch screen with 480 x 480 resolution. With a pixel density of 327 pixels per inch and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, visuals on the Watch 8 are sharp, vibrant, and easily visible, even under bright sunlight. Performance and software experience. Under the hood, the Galaxy Watch 8 is powered by a cutting-edge 3nm processor, ensuring smooth performance and energy efficiency. It paired with a generous 64GB of internal storage, perfect for apps, music, and offline content. The watch runs Wear OS 6 with Samsung refined One UI 8 watch skin. New software enhancements include the Now bar, a persistent, customizable shortcut area that displays contextual information like music controls, health metrics, and notifications at a glance. AI plays a central role in the Galaxy Watch 8 experience. Features like app suggestions recommend apps based on your behavior and usage patterns, while Google Gemini integration enables smart voice control, contextual commands, and cross-app task execution. You can even summon the assistant with the side button for a fully hands-free experience. Advanced health and fitness tracking. Equipped with Samsung's latest bioactive sensor, the Galaxy Watch 8 provides highly accurate health metrics, including heart rate, stress, and sleep tracking. The dual-band GPS L1L5 ensures more precise location tracking for outdoor workouts. One standout feature is the enhanced sleep coaching system. Using environmental sensors, the watch analyzes air humidity, temperature, and air quality, then communicates with other Samsung smart home devices to adjust your surroundings for optimal rest. After just 3 nights of wear, the AI system recommends an ideal bedtime based on your habits, Another innovative addition is vascular load monitoring, which evaluates blood vessel strain during sleep to help detect early signs of cardiovascular issues. Battery and charging. The 40mm model houses a 325 mAh battery, while the 44mm version includes a 435 mAh unit. Both are capable of lasting up to 2 days on a single charge. Under typical usage conditions, fast wireless magnetic charging adds further convenience, making daily top-ups quick and effortless. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 is a well-rounded, modern smartwatch that delivers on all fronts: design, performance, health tracking, and smart AI functionality. For those seeking a powerful companion for both fitness and productivity, the Watch 8 is a strong contender at a reasonable $400 USD.